But really, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for joining us this evening. The play that you are about to watch is called Sinta, and it has been with Dulaang Sipol since 1974. That's 46 years, if you can imagine. And our play tonight, the play always opens with Matanglawi, our narrator of sorts, singing to the audience, alalahanin, gunitain, kahapon natin sariwain, nang kay tumanay agos ng buhay, alalahanin, gunitain. And it really is an invitation for the audience to look back, to go back. So allow me perhaps to begin this evening by looking back at how Sinta came to be. When Mr. Pagsy was in the United States on a scholarship, he immersed himself in theater. He watched everything on Broadway, off-Broadway, and off-Broadway. But there was one play that really caught his attention. That play was The Fantastics, based on Edmond Rostan's The Romancers. When he saw that play, he promised to himself, I will bring this play back home. I will show this to a Filipino audience. And that is how his translation of The Fantastics began. It was 2006. I was a freshman in high school. And I remember each and every show, Mr. Pagsy would be here. And he would begin to open each evening by singing the first song of The Fantastics, which goes, try to remember that kind of September when life was slow and goes so mellow. And without missing a beat, he would shift gears to Filipino and sing, alalahanin ang araw natin ng buhay ay malumanay. But then he says, the words are easy to translate. The melodies, easy to adapt. But the experiences, the emotions, the memories, not so much. A translation would not resonate. A translation would not move. A translation would not touch. And so, he stopped his translation and he began his transplantation. From the United States, Mr. Pagsy brought the story to Hagonoy, Bulacan in the 1950s. The same Hagonoy he knew as a young man. The characters took on names, manners, and traits that were distinctly Filipino. The music became a blend of Kundiman, folk songs, and vaudeville, carried by the strings of guitars and a touch of flute and tambourine here and there. The story will take life on an almost bare stage with very simple lights, much simpler tonight because our lights decided not to work 15 minutes before we opened the gate. But that is no problem because our performers and our musicians and our lightsmen will paint the picture right in front of you and draw you in. On a good night, we will be transported to the Bulacan of hope. On a very good night, we will be transported back to our memories, to our lives. A final note. This play is for holding hands. Whether it be for the first time, for the 100th time, or even even the first time in a long, long time. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, from the mind and heart of Dr. Onofre Pagsangkan, we proudly present Sinta.